Good morning, my lovely people, beautiful souls. I am Mehul Gupta, and welcome to your 5-minute grounding ritual to begin your day with peace, presence, and power. Whether you are new to meditation or simply need a soul reset, this is your sacred pause. Let's begin by gently closing our eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the air moving in and out of your body, anchoring you to this moment. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the earth. You are supported, held, safe. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present. Say to yourself silently or out loud, I am here. I am grounded. I am safe. Today, I move with calm and confidence. Let's sit together in stillness for a few breaths. And when you are ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Open your eyes with a smile. You are ready to begin your day, aligned, grounded, and glowing. So if this helped you feel more centered, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily healing rituals. Hit the bell icon, share this with someone who needs a calm start today. See you tomorrow, my lovely people.